So you like to create an actual website with WordPress totally for free. So to get started, first of all, the easiest way to create an actual WordPress.com is to sign up. Now, if you wanted to focus for a free website, WordPress is going to give you a .wordpress extension that you can get totally for free. So if you're okay with this, let's continue. Just focus into the option that says WordPress.com. The easiest way, as I just told you, is by signing up. It's going to be just really easy, just as providing your actual, in this case, you can provide your email, such as your passcode, and you're actually good to go. So basically what I do have here directly inside here is that I have a few websites created. So basically what I just need to do is to hit for the option that says plus if I wanted to create an actual new website. There's now many ways to create an actual website. You can focus for creating yourself, migrate from WordPress using Jetpack plugin, or create with artificial intelligence. I believe that the artificial intelligence is only working for a few paid plans, so you don't want to focus directly inside. You can do this manually, but basically they will try to sell you, for example, a personal or business plan once you are directly inside here. And you can look for the tiny text at the top that says start with an actual free site. So in this case, for example, let's say that I want to start with a travel blog, and basically the artificial intelligence will be telling me what would you like your website title to be: wonders, notes, miles and memories, your name and travels. Let's say Steven Travels, right? This is the one sentence developed: city breaks hikes. Let's go for practical and honest travel stories. There we go. Number 2, sometimes it asks you for different kind of questions to generate your actual site, and with this, let's say, small amount of information, the actual artificial intelligence will be trying to understand what are we trying to be working on, right? So just wait a few seconds till the artificial intelligence works into your actual site. If you once again don't want to use the artificial intelligence, you can go back directly to the WordPress, go into the element that says add a new site, and go for the option that says created by yourself. Usually, let's say for example that my domain, let's say the same example, which is Steven Travels. You go for search your domains, and here you can claim your actual domain totally for free, but this is a paid plan. So you want to stick around with the option that says start with a WordPress subdomain, which is at no cost. So here I focus for the left element that says free, start with free plan. So the process actually is exactly the same. Let's go a little bit back to see what happens with the artificial intelligence website. So as you can see, it says generating your site, says applying the button styles, applying some fonts, applying the color theme, and as you can see, it actually doesn't look that bad when it comes to generating your own website. So when you are ready with your actual website, when this one is ready to be launched, what you can do now is to go for the upper right corner that says launched, and your website, you're going to be now ready to get it started. Now if you wanted to have everything from looking for free, you can use local WGP, turns your laptop into an actual server. So basically it's 100% free and much faster than online hosting. This is how I built all the tutorials before we launched them, which is appearing into local WGP.com. This is, for example, like the #1 local WordPress development tool, because you can download this totally for free. So this is once again totally optional to get the actual hosting and all of that. But in this case, for example, since this website is not being in this case, let's go for edit the actual site. The actual free elements is much more faster to use, especially for those who are not familiar with creating some websites inside WordPress. So here, for example, we have the different styles that we can choose. You can go for browse some styles. You can check out all the variation tools. For example, this one, you can check out the actual typography. If you're okay with one of those, you can go for review one change. Now the problem is that some sites include premium styles that are only visible to visitors. So in this case, what you want to do is to head back on the option that says to remove the premium styles, and there we go. So make sure that you are using some free elements, otherwise it just won't let you continue. So the background, for example, in my case, I'm gonna go for back shadows. You can just let it be as it is. Let's go for back, and the navigation bar. The navigation bar, for example, appears here, which is in this case only we have the about section. You can edit the navigation bar, add more stuff, or leave it as it is. You can add more pages nowadays. You can add, for example, here is the about section. You can add more about me, let's say blogging, let's say portfolio, contact me, whatever. You can do it and add it directly inside here. Then there's the template element, where you can just create new templates, and you can use a specific template to start not from scratch, and let's say start an actual new website. And lastly, there is the actual patterns. The patterns are for template patterns, for example, the about section, a footer, a header, store header. Now, unfortunately, the free version does not have all of this available, so you might want to have to do this manually. So we have both the versions that you can try this out. If you're okay with those, you can always hit for the option that says launch your site. As I just told you, the AI will be telling you to have an actual plan in order to have this elements already been plotted out. So with this being said, we have much to the break end of the video, guys, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools of how we can actually get started with this kind of websites here directly into WordPress. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and hopefully we can all see you next time.